Important note, I've been planning this video for 3 months, so watch it all the way through at least once. This video could change your life. If the speed is too fast, slow it down to 0.5x. And if you don't have much time, you can watch it at 2x speed. And if ads are disturbing you in between, let me know and I'll turn off monetization for this video as well. Okay, so 3 months ago, I got a comment on one of my videos. Hello brother, I have a request for you. Please suggest a channel idea that includes all of this because I am a student. I am 16 years old and the phone I use belongs to my mom and I want to start earning a little money from now on. Please brother, please suggest the best content idea. And this brother's requirement is that he shouldn't have to show his face in it. He shouldn't have to use his voice either. He can get sponsorships. The channel can get monetized. It should be a shorts channel, easy to make and quick. The video should be ready in 30-40 minutes and I should be able to earn 40 to 50,000 per month from it. So I had a lot of ideas like this, but I found this one to be the best because you'll never run out of content, and also making these kinds of videos is extremely easy. And videos like these can get millions of views, and if you do everything on your phone, it will only take you 10 to 15 minutes to make a video in the beginning. And the best thing about this is that you only have to make the video once, and by just changing the audio, you can upload it in English as well. And if you don't know, let me tell you, when your videos get views from English-speaking countries like tier 1 countries such as the USA or UK, the revenue you generate from the same number of views is much higher than what you would earn in India. In fact, if those views come from the USA or UK, you can generate up to 10 times more revenue. And I'm not just saying this out of thin air. I've actually worked on such channels before. Okay, so first let me show you a reference video. After that, I'll teach you how to create it.
What should you do if a fight breaks out? Number 1, if it's your fault, then just admit it. Number 2, if it's not your fault, use your fists more than your words. Number 3, if the issue is about you, forgive. But if someone insults your mother or sister, beat them up right there.
Okay, so now you've watched the video and you must have realized how easy it is to make such videos. So first of all, tell me in the comments how many views you think this video got. Whoever guesses correctly, I will personally pin their comment. So this video got 32 million views. And what's also worth noting here is that this channel started just 2 to 3 months ago. And it has already gained more than 1.5 million subscribers. That too with only 100 videos uploaded on the channel so far. And if we talk about its earnings, according to Social Blade, it's making at least 17-0 because it generated 70 million views on its channel just last month. And if you convert 17-0 to INR, that's 1.4 million rupees. But Social Blade doesn't show the exact earnings, so we'll calculate the earnings ourselves. So in Indian shorts, 10 million views generate about 50 to 10 rupees, and this one has 70 million. If we take a number in between 50 and 10, 0, let's say I take 70 here, then it would generate around 50, 0 to 60, 0 rupees from AdSense. And the channel is only 2 to 3 months old right now, so in my opinion, this amount is definitely not small for shorts. Okay, so now to make these kinds of videos, the first thing we need is this type of script. So look, to generate scripts like this, you can use ChatGPT. But I don't recommend that because if you use scripts from ChatGPT, your videos won't get more than 10-0 to 20-0 or maybe 30-0 views. But if you don't want to put in much effort, you can do this. But if you can spare an extra 10 to 15 minutes, then I would recommend that you download the Pinterest application. And as soon as you log in and open it, you'll see an interface like this. And here you need to click on the search option and search here whatever topic you want to make a video on. Just enter it here and search for it. For example, if I want to make a video related to life lessons, I'll type 20 life lessons here and click on the search option. And now you can see how many posts have appeared here. So you need to click on this post, and at the top you'll see the option with 3 dots. Click on it and directly download it from here. And then you have to open Google Lens, select that picture and copy its text. And after copying, I will open the Notes app and paste it there. And right now the life lessons we've copied are in English, so now we'll get them translated into Hindi with the help of ChatGPT. So if you haven't logged into ChatGPT yet, make sure to do that. Here I am using the ChatGPT application, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to download it from the Play Store. And here you just need to write a simple prompt. Translate this in Hindi language and also use basic English words. And after that, you need to paste the same script that we just copied the points from, and as soon as you continue, within a second it will convert your script into Hindi and give it to you. But if you look here, it has kept the English words written in English itself, so you will face a problem in generating the voiceover for this. So here you need to write another prompt, write English words in Hindi, and when you continue it will also write the English words in Hindi. And then if you press and hold here for a little while, you'll see the option to select text. You have to click on it, copy it, and then go back and paste it into Notepad. So now your script is ready. Now you need to arrange hooks for this, and hooks are just as important as thumbnails and titles are in long videos. And if you're thinking that you can just generate hooks using ChatGPT, then you're very mistaken. If you use hooks from ChatGPT, your videos won't get more than 5 to 10,000 views. So look, first I'll explain the strategy of this channel, how it went viral. After that I'll tell you how you just need to copy and paste this strategy and your videos will also go viral. So look, if someone like you visits this channel, they'll think that the channel went viral because they posted motivational videos with a certifying background, which is actually true to a large extent. But that's not the whole truth. If that were the case, then one of their videos still only has 38,000 views. Then by that logic, every single one of their videos should have millions of views. But when I looked a bit more deeply into their channel, I realized that they've made really good use of hooks and scripting in their videos, and that's the reason their channel went viral so quickly. So now, once again, watch this video first.
What do you do if a fight breaks out? Number.
And even at the end, whether you notice something here or not, you must have noticed this. First of all, he talked about fights, which is already a very interesting topic, and he delivered the hook so quickly. I mean, the normal length of a hook is 3 seconds, but he made it clear in just 1 second what people are going to get from this video. Because of that, the audience was hooked within the very first second. And he hasn't just used this technique in this one shot. He creates a similar kind of hook in every single shot. But I noticed one thing missing on his channel, and that's repetition. And that's an advantage you all can take, and you can use it to make your channel go viral very quickly. Let me explain what I mean by repetition. So look, for example, this fighting shot of his, if this hook worked once on his channel, then if he had made and uploaded a part 2 of it out of the 32 million views, it would definitely have gotten at least 10 million views. And even if he made it really well, it could have gotten even more views than that. Because if something works once on your channel, it will definitely work again. And I'm not just saying this for the sake of it. I've actually applied this on my own channel and I've gotten some really amazing results. Let me give you an example. So look, a couple of weeks ago, I uploaded a video on this channel related to Chinese videos copy paste, and right now that video has already crossed over 100,000 views. So I knew that this video had worked on my channel, and if I made another video on this topic, that video would also definitely do well. And you guys were asking a lot of questions on that video, so I made a part 2 covering those, and right now that video has already gotten over 30 views. So you see, this is how repetition works. I noticed that this was missing on this channel, so you all can make really good use of it. What do you need to do? You need to note down the hooks from the 10 most popular videos and then use those hooks to make your own videos in your own style. And if you can modify those hooks a little, definitely do it, because that way it won't seem copied and you'll build your own original audience as well. Let me show you how to modify a hook. This will give you an idea. For example, the hook of this video was, what would you do if you got into a fight? So you can modify it and make it such that if 8 people attack you simultaneously, what should you do in that situation?
If 8 people attack one person.
And this hook is actually quite similar to the previous one. This hook will get views, and in my opinion it will get even more views than the previous hook. So you just need to modify hooks like this according to your own style. And on this channel I noticed one more thing missing, which is captions.
If 8 people attack one person, then first of all,
so if you add captions to your videos, it's possible that your views might increase a bit. So look, now you have the script and you have the hook as well. Now you need to get the voice generated for this. And there's one more thing you need to do. Create an Instagram account with the same name as your YouTube channel, because people share these kinds of videos a lot on Instagram, so your videos can go viral there very quickly and easily. And if you want to generate voice for free using 11 Labs, first you need to search for 11 Labs on Google and open it, and then you need to open Chrome. Here you need to search for temp mail, and you'll see a lot of sites here. Open whichever one you think is right, and on the site you open, you'll get a temporary email. So copy it from there, and then you need to go back and open 11 Labs again. Here you'll see a sign up option towards the bottom. Click on it and paste that email here, and here you need to set any password that you can remember, and you will see some options below, so take them and then click on the sign up option here. So the email you just entered will receive a verification email. Open Chrome again, and on the site you had opened, if you scroll down a bit, you will see an inbox option here. If you haven't received any email there, just refresh here and the email will arrive. And if it's already there, simply click on verify email here to verify it. So you can see I have verified my email from here, and now I just need to go and sign into 11 Labs using the same email and password. So now it's asking me some random unnecessary questions, so I'll just keep clicking next. So now you can see here I have reached the main page, and here I have received 10 zero words for free. And as soon as these 10 zero words run out, you just have to repeat the same process again. You'll get another 10 zero words, and now I will paste my script here and click on the generate option. So now you can see here some kind of error is appearing. So I'll tell you the solution for this as well. Look here, I've already downloaded a VPN. I'll give you the link for this on Telegram, so make sure to download it. And now I'll open it, connect, and then go back to 11 Labs. I'll click on generate. So now you can see this. My script has been generated. And from here, if you want, you can change the voice and so on. You can change the character voice to whichever one you like best. And from here, you can directly download it. And how to edit this voice, I've already made a video on that, so go check it out. I'll put it in the iCard. And sometimes even the VPN I just connected doesn't work, so I've downloaded another VPN called Super VPN. You can find this on the Play Store as well, or I'll upload it to Telegram, so you can download it from there. So look, if you want to generate voice for free, you'll have to face a few problems, and you'll have to put in a bit of effort as well. Okay, so now you have the voice. Now you need a satisfying background video like the ones this guy uses in his videos. So to download such videos, you just need to come directly to YouTube and search for satisfying videos, and you'll find thousands of them. You can download these directly and use them. Just don't use more than 3 seconds, otherwise you might get a copyright strike. And if you don't want to take them directly from YouTube, you can also get them from TikTok. I'll share TikTok videos with you on Telegram, so you can download them from there, and you can find some really good videos on TikTok. I saw a couple of videos there with 20 million views, and you know that TikTok is banned in India, so you'll have to use a VPN to access it. Now we have both the video and the audio, just merge them together in an editor. Other than that, you don't have to do anything else, just export it directly. And if you want to use captions, you'll need an application that generates captions for free. I also use this application to generate captions, so you can use it too. If 8 people attack one person, the first thing to do is stay calm. Don't panic, and if you get a chance to escape, take it. If you don't know how to properly create a YouTube channel, then watch this video.